Good evening. Des Moines Area Community College is being ordered by a federal judge to stop using its new logo.
And they have less than 3 weeks to do it. This stems from the lawsuit Drake filed against DMACC over the new block style D logo.
KCCI's Bo Bowman is live tonight at DMACC's Ankeny campus. Bo, this is a massive undertaking and there isn't a lot of time to get this done.
Yeah, Ben, Stacy, you can see these logos all over campus, like on this trailer right behind me here. Those block style D logos will have to come down and be retired. The logo can be seen all over DMACC.
I do think it's kind of silly. I don't really understand it.
On the side of trailers, on the basketball courts, the flag that flies above the Ankeny campus. The t-shirts in the bookstore with the block letter D have even hit the clearance rack. Federal Judge Stephanie Rose wrote in the preliminary injunction that the logo is similar enough to Drake's that there is, quote, legitimate concern of confusion of sponsorship or affiliation as much as there is a confusion of source. Students on DMACC's campus disagree.
That's not what I think of, to be honest with you. I mean, Drake's kind of in its own little area. It's kind of smaller, so saying that it looks the same is just kind of like saying donuts look the same, and you could sue someone for having the same donut as you. Like, they're all circle, right?
Do you think it does look like it could be Drake?
In a way, but I mean, everyone knows Drake is not DMACC.
The injunction is only temporary until the lawsuit can be settled in court, but Rose wrote that Drake would likely be successful in establishing trademark infringement and has given DMACC 21 days to cease its use of the logo. KCCI asked DMACC on Tuesday how they would go about removing all of the branding before the deadline. They did not elaborate, simply saying they would get it done. In a statement, DMACC said, quote, although not the outcome we anticipated, we do appreciate the time and analysis contained in the court's order, end quote. Now, Drake also issued a statement Monday night saying, quote, while we found ourselves in the undesirable position of pursuing legal action with a partner whose relationship we value, we did so knowing we made numerous efforts in good faith to resolve the issue outside the courts. Deadline to remove the logos and end use altogether for DMACC is December 13th. We're live in Ankeny. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
All right, so we know they'll be hard at work over the next couple of weeks there, Bo. Thank you so much.